Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Mimi's Makeup. In this video, I'm gonna share with you my review about some stuff that I got from Amazon. This video will be about hyaluronic acid that I got from Amazon Egypt, and I'm gonna make like a couple of videos. Why I thought about these kind of videos, because normally when I just go shopping on Amazon Egypt, most of the time I read really negative comments about all the products, anything that I saw, and just decided to read about it and decided to buy from the seller. And all of a sudden I began to read all negative comments, and it's not the product, he's a liar, and all this kind of stuff. And it's like in really rare occasions I read a positive comment. So sometimes I decide to, it's okay, let's take a chance and just buy from that seller. And most of the time actually the stuff that I got is the same thing as the seller said, so I decided to share my experience with you guys. So if you face these kind of things, and at the same time I'm gonna link where I put the stuff that I mentioned in each video in the description box down below if you want to go and check them out, if it's a good seller and a good stuff, of course. So let's get into it. And of course I'm gonna try to find the same link in the Amazon US, if the same seller it's related to Amazon itself. So let's get into it. So in this video I decided to start with this one because I asked for I asked for this hyaluronic acid, and I'm gonna read it's this one. Okay, so it's Elizavecca, I hope I read it right. Elizavecca with Piggy Hell-Pore Control Hyaluronic Acid. It's 50 ml and it's this little baby here, and I got this one, and actually it should arrive tomorrow, but the shipping arrived today, which is amazing because it's one day before they said it will be arrived, so or delivered. So that's amazing. The shipping was so fast. I ordered it from like a couple of days ago, and I got it today. But the bad thing is completely smashed because it's a glass bottle, and the seller didn't wrap the glass in a bubble paper, this fluffy bubble paper, you know, that save the stuff inside, the fragile stuff. And of course the shipping is just like, this can go between like hundreds of boxes. It's completely smashed. As you can see, it's completely smashed into pieces, like literally into pieces. So once I got it from the inside, it just come like this. But it's the same product that I ordered, which is really good thing, but it came in really bad way. It's just, there is no way to use it. It's completely smashed. So I once I got it and saw this condition, I just ordered to replace it. I can choose wherever I return the item because it's smashed and take my money back, or replace it with another item. So I decided to replace it with another item because I really want it, and I can see it's the same product that I want, but it's smashed. So I replaced it with another bottle, and I said in the message that the bottle wasn't wrapped and wasn't protected, and it smashed into a million pieces. So I hope the seller will pay attention to wrap it and protect the bottle before shipping it. So that will be in like a minute, just like in the second part of this video. After I deliver this to the shipping company, they're gonna come tomorrow to take it from me, and then they're gonna send me another bottle for the replacement. So I hope the replacement will be intact and good, so I can review about the seller. And of course the link of the seller will be in the description box down below if you are in Egypt. And I hope it's the same seller as in US. I don't know if it's like with Amazon or not, but anyway, as you can see, the serum is everywhere. I don't know if you can see, but the serum is everywhere. So that's a bad thing. So I'm gonna leave you now, and I'll come in a minute to show you the replacement, so stay tuned. Hi again, I am back and let's continue. Finally guys, finally I got it, and finally I got it in one piece, which is the point. So it takes about like 2 weeks, I guess. The shipping company came and take the broken one from me in 22 of May, and I got this one in the 4th of June, so it's about 2 weeks, I guess. But actually I called the Amazon customer service twice to see the shipment, the replacement, and all this stuff, but finally I got it. And again, the shipper or the seller didn't wrap it in the bubble paper to protect the bottle, which is not good, but still I got the bottle in one piece finally, and I tried it and I am in love with it. So far this one is original one, because I found out there is a fake one and a not original one. The first thing that I saw, that this picture here, it was the same in the side of the brand Elizavecca. Okay, it was in the same but actually I found out like there's a multiple edition of this one, so sometimes you're gonna see it's at 97 and in some like bottles in 97%. So I checked and I found out this one is original. It's this number, the code is legit, and they have this code here. I scratched it and I searched for the barcode, a QR code, and it's original. So far, as you can see, the packaging was in a mess a little bit, but the bottle came in one shape, and I tried it. It's a little bit like, it's not too liquidy, it's just like the hyaluronic acid that I used to use. I use 2 brands before using this one, and I tried it on my skin, and actually it's not sticky. My skin take it very nicely, and it feels so good actually. So far I'm so happy with the product. It's original, and with all this delay, but in the same time just I waited for a good thing because I got original good stuff. So I'm gonna link the seller or the product link in the description box down below if you want to go and check it out. But so far I really love it. And again, for the seller, if you are hearing me somehow, please wrap a glass bottle in a bubble paper so you have to protect your stuff. You don't want to break your product, right? So yeah, this is it for this video. I really hope you like it, and really hope you like these kind of videos. If you want more of them, I'll be so happy to do, because I really love shopping online, and at the same time it's a good thing to like share our experience with each other. So yeah, this is for this video. I really hope you like it, and of course, as usual, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. These links will be in the description box down below, and don't forget to hit the bell button so you have notification every time I upload a new video on my channel. And I'm gonna see you soon in the next video. I love you so much. Bye.